Hey guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Tanya from aka Black Lotus Glow, Life of Black Lotus Glow. Today's video we will be talking about another one of my philodendron favorites, just philodendrons because they're all my favorites. This is the Florida Beauty Bronze. So this is a hybrid. It is a climber and it is a hybrid. It is a cross between the Philodendron squamiferum and the Philodendron pendrum, yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'll put the names up here. But those are the parents that this it came from. It's cultivated. It was cultivated in the 1990s, I think. And why it's called the bronze is that when it comes out, when the new leaves come out, it has this this bronze coloring. So this is the newest leaf that it gave me, and I don't know if you can still see the bronze in it, but it's really pretty when it does come out. I love the shape of the leaves. I don't know if you can see because here we go. The shape of the leaves is kind of elongated, and here we go. And it's a climber, like I said. So right now I don't have it staked up on anything, but I eventually will put it on a moss pole, on one of my plastic moss poles, so it can just grab onto something and climb like it was intended to do. So the parents are native to South America, so think Amazon forest. So the care is the same as the other tropical plants from that area. So high humidity, 40% and up. I would say 50%, really, 50 and 60% for these plants. But if you want to keep it at ambient air, that's fine too. I think they will still be okay. I think they will thrive. Bright and direct sunlight, and give it something to climb. I haven't put it on anything yet. I just wanted to see how it was going to do. I don't even really, it's been growing, it's been giving me new leaves like crazy. It's one of the easier philodendrons I have too. I just cleaned it off, so that's why the leaves are all shiny and pretty. Chunky soil mix. So it's an aeroid. I'm going to treat it like an aeroid, like I do my other aeroids. So they're all in chunky soil mixture, well draining pots, clear pot, self-watering pot. As you can see, this is the self-watering pots that I use. I want to say this is in I think this is a 7 or 8 inch pot. I want to say that. And I got them from Walmart. Not Walmart, Amazon. And you put the water here. So this is the reservoir. As you can see, it's empty. And so I will be putting some water in here. It just got empty. Yeah, it just got empty. So, and that's how I've been keeping a lot of my plants alive, guys. These self-watering pots are a must for me. I can't get, that's how I keep them. And then it helps with watering. I don't have time to guess if it needs water or not. Once the reservoir is low or empty, I just top it off and call it a day. But very easy. I do have the Florida green as well. So my goal is to get all of the Floridas, right? I got the Florida Beauty, I got the Florida green, the Florida bronze, and now I want the actual Florida Beauty, but I'm just looking at them prices sideways right now. So we'll see. I do have the Florida Ghost. It's a small one. It's like a 4 inch. A 4 inch. I found it at a local nursery for $20. And I'm like, okay, I can get it big. You know, they grow so fast. So I'm like, oh, okay, I'll get it big in no time, right? Fertilize every water. I'm going to put it in a self-watering situation as well. And we're going to actually be all right. So this is the Florida Bronze Beauty, y'all. So bright and direct sunlight. I would say humidity around 40 to 60% is ideal. I think you can get away with 40%, because a lot of people are not gonna turn on a humidifier or you know, have their house at that high level just for their plants. So you can also train them for ambient air. But yes, y'all, so this is one of my Florida Beauty collections. So let me know in the comments, do you have this plant? Do you have the Florida Beauties at all? Do you find them easy? If not, let me know why. What medium are you growing it in? I know a lot of people are growing a lot of things in leca and pond. The only really plants that I want to put in leca like that, in pond, I would really have to say is my my alocasias. Outside of that, I don't know. And I want to start off with smaller plants, not mature plants. So a lot of my plants are already mature, so I'm not going to transfer them and go through the whole shock. I learned that with old boy back here, but he's coming back. I'm gonna do a follow-up video on him. My alocasia Sabrina coming back. Gave me actually 2 new leaves, I think, and it's in leca and moss, so it's doing really well. But anyway, this is the Florida Beauty Bronze. I don't have a name for him, and I feel like because it's the bronze, I'm going to go like with an Olympian. I just don't know who, because it can't be Usain Bolt, because Usain Bolt was gold. Right? So I can't go with Usain. I can't call him that. So I got to find somebody who was, you know, who was getting the bronze medals in the Olympics. So I got some research to do on her, but it's a he. We do know that. It's a he. I will have a name for him the next time I talk about him, because I'm going to put him on a moss pole and we're going to go through that process together. But yes, y'all, this is him. Very pretty. I love the leaves, y'all. I don't know. To me, the shape of the leaf is so unique on these Florida Beauties. I think it's so cool. And somebody said it reminded them on some things, and I'm like, well, it is what it is. But I like it. It's unique. It's different. And here's another new leaf. It's just been giving me leaf after leaf after leaf since I got it. And it's been thriving here. It's been thriving. So, yeah. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Get you some self-watering pots, some wicks, and your babies will thrive. All right, guys, that's it for this video. These videos are kind of short. I don't want to ramble on too long about plants and whatnot. So, yeah, these are a little shorter videos. So I'm getting straight to the point. And yeah, let me know if you have this plant, or do you have the parent plants? Do you guys see a difference between this plant and the parent plants? I didn't see much. I guess I didn't see too much of a difference. It is a climber, so I am going to put it on a trellis or give it, you know, put on a moss pole. But let me know if you have it. Do you find it easy to care for? If you don't have it, do you plan on getting it in your collection? I know you can get these now. They're not as expensive as the Florida Beauty. That's variegated and whatnot. But yeah. And if you're on the lookout, if you're in North Carolina and you have a Pike's Nursery in your area near you, I would visit Pike's Nursery. They have a lot of great things, a lot of great plants that you will find online at a higher price. I'm just saying. Like if you're looking for a Florida Ghost, specifically if you're looking for a Florida Ghost, you can go there. Anthurium, crystallinum. I know they had some Lux. Yep, some Anthurium, Luxin. Yep. So go check them out. They also had some a lot of philodendrons, a lot of different philodendrons, alocasias like crazy. If you want to up your alocasia collection, I would go there. I would start there too. Yeah, you're not gonna find a lot of the ones that people are creating online with the pink variegations and stuff. I don't see that out in the nurseries. That's something you have to go online for. But outside of that, just go there. I'm actually gonna do a video of me going there and showing you the selection. I love Pike's Nursery. It's one of my favorites. Outside of another nursery that I go to in Charlotte, Pike's Nursery is one of my favorites as well. You can find a lot of great things, and a lot of their a lot of the stuff that they get from vendors are from Florida. They're Florida growers. Per the lady that I spoke to there, one of the employees, she was very kind, and cause we was talking about plants, and she said they I know when they get new shipments in and everything. So I'm always in there. So if you're in North Carolina and you have a Pikes, I would go. All right, guys, until next time, please, if you like videos like this, please consider liking the video, sharing, and then actually subscribing to my channel. I am trying to grow. It's fun for me right now. I'm trying to just keep my sanity with everything that's going on in this country. So yeah, this is my joy. So yeah, until next time, guys, remember, find some peace, find some joy, find something. Go to your local grocery store and pick up a plant and see how you like it. Focus on growing something. Start a garden. Because food is high. Start a garden, y'all. That's my other videos coming up. Like, grow your food, grow your own food, and whatnot. But, all right. Until next time, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Toodles.